Today we're going to be making a crock pot beef roast with potatoes and carrots and onions. We're going to be using 5 onions, 10 peeled potatoes, 1 onion, and 5 carrots. And we have our beef roast right here. And then we're going to be using some olive oil, some minced garlic, basil, some salt, some black pepper, and we're going to get started here. So the first thing what we are going to do is this. We are going to take and we're going to add 2 teaspoons of olive oil to the bottom of a crock pot. Into this one right here, we're going to add the olive oil. It's a half. It's 1. It's 1.5. Bottom of our crock pot. Next thing what we are going to do is we are going to chop up 1 onion. Our onions in the bottom of this crock pot. We need 5 carrots. peeled. So we're going to continue peeling these and washing these, and we'll be right back. Now that we've done all this, we're going to cut the tops off. Now we're going to wash all these off. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take our carrots, lay them at the bottom of our stuff, just chop them big. And we're going to do our garlic now. See how much garlic we need. Since we're using garlic, we're going to use one. Okay, we did 2 teaspoons of garlic. Now we need 10 potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to wash these and peel these, and we'll be right back. Okay, now what we're going to do is cut up our potatoes in half. And in half again. Shove them in here. A teaspoon of basil. A teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Now what we're going to do is this. We're going to do we're going to open this in the sink. We're going to place it right on top here. We'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. You've got your potatoes, your carrots, and all your stuff in here. Okay, so you can see all of it. And we're gonna figure out how long it goes in this crock pot for. Okay, so we're gonna cook it for 6 hours and we will be right back. Okay, now what we're gonna do, since it's been how many hours, we're gonna take out this piece of meat, lay it on this cutting board, and we're gonna cut this meat. We're gonna finish cutting up this meat and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is what our beef stew looks like, and the gravy is thickened, so it just needs to cook for no. It's basically done. I'm just letting it cook a lot longer, but yeah, it's pretty much done. So tell me what your favorite beef stew is. Maybe I'll make it and try it, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you know when to get notified. And if there's another way you make something and you want me to make it, comment what recipe you want me to make in the comments. Maybe I'll make it and try it. And I see 90% of you haven't subscribed to my channel, so feel free to hit the subscribe button. And see you in the next video.